Hi, really excited to introduce you to Mr. Chuan of Maple Machine Tools. Maple have been a long-term partner of Leader for several years now, and we've had a really exciting week learning loads and loads about all of the new developments from the factory, and we're really quite exciting. So we've managed to find out a lot more about why Maple are a really good fit for Leader. So as our customers know, we're engineers. We love to create solutions. We love to look at turnkey solutions, and it's an absolute fit in terms of the way that Maple approach making not bespoke solutions, but actually how they solve customers' pain and customer needs. I'll let Mr. Chuan explain.
Cool. Oh, hi. Yeah. From Maple, we do produce a lot of standard machine like a lot of the other manufacturers, but what makes us different, or a little bit special than the other manufacturers, is that we are quite willing to listen to the customer exactly what they want, and from there we actually, from a standard machine, we can actually customize it to fit the exact need of the customer, instead of them or kind of forcing them to buy the machine out off a standard catalog, standard size, and they need to adjust their work to fit the machine. For us, we want to design the machine or customize it to fit the customer's need instead of the customer adjusting what they need to the machine. So that shouldn't be how it is. So we want to design the machine by engineers. Obviously, I'm an engineer myself, for engineers to have the best tool for the correct job.
And that's brilliant. I mean, we've spoken about a couple of projects this week, haven't we, where footprint's been an issue, but a big component. So rather than look at a table that moves, how can we reconfigure a moving column machine, but almost make it work like a C-frame? But then there's angled holes to put on details. And again, just to configure a standard machine to make it work is absolutely brilliant. And you've even said that you'll modify guards to get bigger components in and things like that, which is highly unusual and really refreshing. But actually, and that sounds really expensive, and it's not. It's an honestly priced machine tool that's very robust. And you were telling me as well that your whole manufacturing process revolves around quality, because it's more cost efficient to make a machine that you don't have to go back and fix than to try and cut corners. Have I got that right?
Yeah, that's correct. Obviously, labor for everybody has gone up, all around the world, not just, UK, Netherlands, we saw Germany, we saw all around the world. The labor cost has gone high. The technicians are becoming harder and harder to, hire, and getting good technicians out there is becoming difficult. So our philosophy, for more than 25 years, is to build high quality machines that are reasonably priced. But our goal is to, I can't say 100% no repair, but to reduce the repair chances to very minimum, very minimum. And that's been our goal, with reducing and actually reduce the cost long term for the customer also, because you're not calling the service guys to come in and then make a trip. We gotta speak honest costs. You're looking a couple, almost £1,000 or more every visit. And why should you spend? And after some time, these costs adds up. Absolutely. And by having a reliable machine, you will reduce costs in long term. Yeah.
And I have to say, that's our experience, and that's why we've got such a great long-term relationship, which we're now going to build even further forward. The Maple machines that we've put into the field over the last 8 years or so, we've never needed to go back for a maintenance issue. Absolutely tremendous brand. So we're really exciting. We've got We've got loads of new product offerings to show you from the Maple range. Please expect us to be knocking on your door, calling your phone, emailing you, and I plead you, have an appetite to listen, because this is too exciting to miss. It's new, it's different approach to the UK market. We're selling machines for engineers that solve problems and heal pain. That's what we're about.